Hello friends, today we will discuss about virtualization. So as we all know that in computers and mobile, hardware is the part which we can touch and feel, and software which we cannot touch and feel. So in virtualization is a technique of splitting a physical resource hardware into as many as logical resource software as we need, and it vice versa, means it reverse. For example, random access memory, RAM, and CPU, central processing unit. You can take the example during lockdown. The students were using virtual classroom and the courts were using virtual courts. So there is another concept, hypervisor. Hypervisor is nothing but VM manager, virtual machine manager. It is a software that create and run virtual machines. Hypervisor is further divided into two types: type 1 hypervisor and type 2 hypervisor. Under type 1, it is also known as bare metal or native hypervisor. An example, it is used in company and enterprises. On the other hand, type 2 hypervisor is also known as hosted hypervisor, and it is used for learning and testing purpose. So friends, we can see two figures in the diagram. Figure first indicate the internal memory of a mobile 32 GB is added with external memory card 8 GB, and together it constitute or it out, output is virtualized memory of 40 GB. Means we are adding two resources, and we are getting, by adding these two resources, we are getting virtualized memory for 40 GB. In the next figure, we can see a server of 16 GB RAM, above it a hypervisor of type 1 bare metal, above that 4 VM virtual machines which are isolated with each other, 4 VM machine of 4 GB which are isolated with each other are running. This is due to we have virtualized our server RAM of 16 GB into 4 GB of 4 VM. So the two figures indicates that virtualization is a technique of splitting a physical resource into logical resource, and also adding a physical resource with logical resource. Thank you.